Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Prices are a little bit lower overnight. Yesterday's rally triggered some selling, especially in the beans by U.S. and South American farmers. We also get a lot of talk from analysts saying that there really isn't a lot of new information to push soybeans out of this 940, 1020 trading range in November beans. And also, there's not a lot of bullish or bearish news in the corn to break it out of its trading positions. We also noted that, at least in the beans, the cash basis levels broke yesterday, and we're trying to figure out if this is because the demand is slowing or if it's because the farmer might increase some selling as the harvest advances. We did note that OECD estimated world 2007 economies to grow at about 3.2%. That's down 0.1 from their June estimate, compares to 2.9 this year. U.S. 2.1 versus 1.4, Europe 1.4 versus 1.5, China 6.2 versus 6.5. We also noted that we're starting to build up some interest in the USDA September 30 grain stocks report. The key number, I think, is going to be the beans. It was the catalyst for a rally in 2014 when they came below trade expectations. We got our first estimate of 2017 acres for U.S. by crop, 91.1 million corn acres versus 94.8, beans 88.6 versus 84, and wheat 49.7 versus 50.4. So a lot of analysts are telling farmers to switch from wheat and corn to soybeans. So we'll see if that has any impact. We're getting a few more yields out of Illinois. Corn is averaging about 224 versus 242 last week. Iowa 225 versus 188 last week. We got a cattle on feed report on Friday. On feed should be 101 versus last year, but placements could be as high as 112 versus last year. Overnight was clear, but we got some rains in Wisconsin and northern Illinois. The 6 to 10 day outlook calls for normal rains to normal to above temperatures. And also we're starting to see a little bit better chance of rains in northern Brazil. And that could move down into the southern part of Brazil and Argentina, helping conditions for plantings there. Funds yesterday, buyers of beans, meal, oil, corn, and wheat. And again, I think we're kind of stuck in this trading range until we know more about harvest yields, farmers selling, U.S. and South American weather, and that September 30th report. Today is Fed Day. No one really expects them to raise interest rates, but we'll see if there's any comments from them that might suggest when they will raise rates. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.